That's gonna take a while. So, whoever had this boat before had all their stickers all over the side here. So, goal for today was to get the stickers off, get a lot of this loose paint off of this side right here. Granted, I got to get that prior license or registration number off, but for the most part, this side all the way down is done. And boy, am I glad I had some safety gear. Like I was saying, I'm really glad I had some safety gear. Simple goggles and a mask, respirator. Not a respirator, it's a mask that I use in the wood shop. Really catches a lot of the fine details. This is one of the best masks. It's really comfortable, super easy to put on, and it works really, really well. This is all the stuff that we're using on the boat, the tools, the epoxy, everything. All of this stuff is just, it's simple stuff. We got it at Amazon, most of it. So I'll put links in the video if you guys want to check it out. That'd be awesome. These are affiliate links, so I have to say that. But let me show you the rest of the boat. We've got a couple more stickers on this side. Actually it looks like just the one and the logo. So actually this side might go a whole bunch faster. And then the bottom is just very little paint. I just want to run the wire wheel across it to get all that dirt off. And then I'll show you the epoxy that we're going to use. We're going to put 2 or 3 coats of epoxy up to probably up to about here. This is obviously the bottom part being the water, and then over here and on the inside we're going to paint we'll paint it green. But anyhow, this is how we get stuff done around here, hour at a time. An hour on this sucker, and we got all the stickers off this side and almost all the chipped up paint off that side as well. So I think total time in on getting it all grinded down would be about 3 hours, 3 or 4 hours, and then we can flip it and paint it. It's hot. Very, very hot. Like 90 something degrees out here. And I'm trying to do a lot of this grinding outside. So I don't want to put this in the barn just yet. When I paint and all that stuff, I definitely want to put it in the barn. But for right now, no dice. Respirator, RZ. This thing is phenomenal. Goes on super duper fast. Really, really glad I had that on. And I have upgraded from the drill with the little tiny bits that you saw to the Milwaukee with a really broken down grind wheel at this point. So not much left to it, but not much left to do. So we'll just have to get a new one when this is all done. But really, really, really close to the end on this sucker. Let me show you around. So inside of the boat, it's going to get painted. You know, I'm just going to blow it out. I will probably scratch it up with maybe a little bit of steel wool or something. You can see the massive difference. This is just one of the pieces on the end here. That is yet to be done. Other side now completely done. All the paint and dirt has been pulled off. Backside, boys got the wood off, so everything's done except for this little corner, which we'll come back and do. Bottom is entirely done, scratched up. Most of it's down to bare metal, which is great. Just this little corner up here, a little bit along the sides, and then under this old placard. But it's looking really good. I guess, pardon me, like I said, down to almost bare metal here. Most places. Definitely several coats of paint on the bottom. Really glad we got this all scuffed up and scratched up. Gonna wash it, soap and water, blow it off, get all the dust, metal particles off of it. Then we're gonna wash it, soap and water, and then we're gonna take it into the barn where we will flip it on its upside down here so the bottom is facing straight up. We're going to acetone wash a couple times, and then we will put the epoxy bottom on. So we're under the tent here because it's, like I said, 90 degrees and really sunny hot out here. So I'm trying to save myself getting too burnt. But I want to get this done. Rain's coming here in a couple hours. If I can get it in the barn, that would be good. go in with it.
Whoa. It's a flying boat.
What's the name of the boat? We don't have one yet. Anything but Titanic. Big guy to the back. This is how this is going to work. Seems pretty stable. Stable. I don't see. Do you see any water coming, rushing in? Dude, that little spot is that far below.
Are you serious? Oh my gosh! Yeah, look at that. That's a foot above the water.
Are you in the back?
Yeah, go for it. I would go to the front, Joshua. Like go to the very tip, and then just kind of roll off, pick the side. Yeah, exactly. Scoot to the side, and then feet. Go feet first, ready. Yeah, go for it. Yep. Yeah, I'm trying to push it down as far in as I can. It's actually not too bad standing here, even without a platform.
No.
So,
Alright. How about just line it or something?
yeah, probably not a bad idea. If I want to get crazy later, I'll put a solid platform, but that'll put and we have to almost get seats to get up higher.
Let's go raise your balance no matter what you do.
Yeah, right. All right. Can you swim me over to the stairs or something here?
AJ's pulling you.
Look at that. Holy cow. Whoa. Hey.
And Kale put the motor on. Now get out of the way, get out of the way.
Watch.
Get out of the way, you don't want to get in between it. Oh, we're trying to crush JJ.
Oh my gosh.
JJ sandwich.
All right, up and out. Maybe not to the edge.
What are you doing?
I don't know. It's
Aren't you glad you're videotaping?
Yep.
Uh-huh. We can edit that out.
No.
All right.
Bubbles!
Where?
Bubbles? Dripping, bubbling up or down?
Water getting in there.
Did you sit in it?
I did. I'll go back in. Oh, yeah.
Unless it was an actual hole. You are.
I am on to you.
The only difference is you're on the boat and he's on the
This
ground.
is not about testing a leak. I can't. Yeah, buddy. I feel safer than ever.
That was really
Step up to the
anticlimactic.
front and see if anything comes in like the front end. Was before the boys were kind of up in the air.
Yeah. Boys. Kind of like
You're still 2-3 inches above that mark.
Yeah. Okay.
You don't see anything coming in, do you?
No. Nothing at all. None of these dude, for real? I see. This is all fun and games to you.
It is.
This is about that.
You're the one that decided to get inside the boat. I mean, what are you trying to attempt?
Trying to
now?
paddle. The hard part's gonna be getting out and stay dry. Alright, pull me over, Dan.
Oh, we'll see you later.
Yeah. You gonna make
I'll
that?
get you one of those strawberry lemonade drinks.
Yeah. There you go. Oh, there we go. Lovely. Yep. Cool.
How was it?
Well, it was good. It was good. Yes, sir. Watch that pole. Let me have it there. Yeah, I can't really walk across this.
Hoist, Daniel.